Guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account. So guys, let's continue into Snapchat. Click on the profile icon in the left of corner. And then click on the settings icon in the right of corner. Swipe down. Select on I need help. Swipe down again and select managing my account. Select delete or to reactivate my account. So here find how do I delete my Snapchat account. Swipe down. Go to the accounts portal. To finally delete your Snapchat account, you need to enter your password. Here is my username and let's enter my password. So guys, I have entered my password and finally delete on continue to delete your Snapchat account permanently. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for the watching video.